Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Triangle, circle, star, hexagon, diamond, square, triangle, circle, star, hexagon, diamond, square. Let's fill with color. Pink color, pink color. Triangle, light green color. Circle, light green color. Sky blue color. Star, sky blue color. Orange color. Hexagon, red color. Diamond, red color. Purple color, square, purple color. Kids, let's rewind once again. Triangle, circle, star, hexagon, diamond, square. Thank you kids for watching this video. Please like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Bye bye. See you in next video.